welcome back to our channel and I am your physics lecturer. In today's video, we will solve some problems on chapter number 2, units and measurement. The questions what I am taking over here are the questions which are regularly asked in the question paper. Okay, so the question paper's questions I have extracted and I am going to solve today for you. Okay, then let us start. First, we will see the question like, first question, check the correctness of v square equal to v naught square plus 2ax by the method of dimensional analysis. Okay, this is the question which is asked in the year 2013 annual paper 2013. This question was asked, so we shall solve it. So what we need to do, first of all, see the equation what they have given, they have their usual meanings. The notations have their usual meanings. Okay. So in the first step, what you are going to do, you are going to write those usual meaning of these notations. That is, this is what? Final velocity. Right? And this final velocity has the dimensional formula L1 m0 t raised to minus 1 v naught. Next is v naught. It's initial velocity. This is the initial velocity. So the dimensional formula is again same. Correct. Next, 2 is a constant. So 2 is a dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless constant. Okay. Next is A. A is what here? Acceleration. Right. So write its formula L raised to 1, m raised to 0, t raised to minus 2. Next is X. X is what here? Displacement. Sometimes they may give X as S. S is also displacement. Okay. L raised to 1, m raised to 0, t raised to 0. The next step, what you are going to write? We will write the given equation. Given equation. What is it? V square equal to v naught square plus 2ax. Right? Yeah. Now substitute this dimensional formula in these equations. First is v square, L raised to 1, m raised to 0, t raised to minus 1 the whole square is equals to v naught, L raised to 1, m raised to 0, t raised to minus 1 the whole square. Plus 2 is a dimensionless, so we are not going to write its dimensional formula. Next is the acceleration. Acceleration is the L raised to 1, m raised to 0, t raised to minus 2. And then comes out to be x. X into L1, m0, t0. Right? So the LHS side, simplify it. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Now this part. L raised to 1 into 2, 2. m0, t raised to minus 2. I hope you are understanding. Plus. Now, this is a product form. If it is a product form, then the power you are going to add. Product form idre ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You are going to add the powers. 1 plus 1, 2. m0, t raised to. Minus 2 plus 0, minus. Check both your LHS side and RHS side. ಎರಡು LHS side ಮತ್ತು RHS side ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. L square L square L square m0 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 t raised to minus 2 minus 2. That's it. So LHS side is equals to RHS side. So this obeys what? Obeys principle of homogeneity. This obeys principle of homogeneity. Hence, the given equation is dimensionally correct. I'll write here. Hence, given equation is dimensionally correct. Okay, that's it. Copy down. Okay, we'll take now the next question. Next question is check the correctness of a equation f equal to mv naught square by r by using the method of dimension analysis. Okay, right. So first we will write the notation, what they denote, right? F is what here? Force. Okay, what is the dimensional formula for force? L raised to 1, m raised to 1, t raised to minus 2. Next is mass, right? Mass. M is mass. So L is 0, m1, t 0. Next is V naught. V naught is what? It's a initial velocity. Initial velocity. So the dimensional formula for initial velocity is L raised to 1, m raised to 0, t raised to minus 1. Next, r is given here. R is nothing but it's a radius, right? So radius means it's nothing but you are measuring the length, right? Length. Radius ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Length ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ radius, the dimension formula for radius or diameter ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, radius ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, you have to take length. Okay. L is to 1, m0, t 0. Okay. So now, given equation, write down the given equation. What is it? F equal to m v naught square by r. Correct? Now, substitute the dimensional formula for force first. Force is L raised to 1, m1, t raised to minus 2. That's equals to m mass of the mass in the L0, m raised to 1, t raised to 0. This r I'll write here. Okay, fine. Into v. V naught is what? Initial velocity. Initial velocity then L raised to 1, m0, t raised to minus 1 the whole square divided by r. R is what? Length, nothing but radius. L0. Correct? Simplify. L1, m1, t raised to minus 2. This LHS side, keep it as it is. Now you see, this quantity is kept as it is because here we need to simplify. I'll just write it with next slide. Here. Okay. L raised to 1, m raised to 1, t raised to minus 2. That's equal to L0, m1, t0 into, yes, it is the full form a raised to m whole raised to n is equals to what? A raised to m into n, right? So n raised to 1 into 2. How much? 2. 0 into 2, 0. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Divided by L raised to 1, m raised to 1, t raised to minus 2 as it is. We shall simplify this. First, the numerator will simplify. Since it's the product, so product idre bases are same. So the powers are going to be added. Powers in madbekiga powers na add. So first L, look at L. 0 plus 2, 2. Next M, 1 plus 0, 1. Next 2, 0 plus of minus 2. 0 plus of minus 2 is equals to what? Minus 2. So t raised to minus 2. Right? इस बीच में है. Here right? What was it? L raised to 2, m raised to 1, t raised to minus 2 divided by this quantity. Okay. Further, copy down up to here. So the next step I will do here, this side. L raised to 1, m raised to 1, t raised to minus 2 is equals to. This is of the form a raised to n by a raised to m by a raised to n. So what you are going to do? If bases are same, okay, power in ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, n will take here, it becomes m raised to a raised to m minus n. This form we will apply. This law of exponent we will apply. Yes, see. First for n. n2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ n raised to 1. 1 take it up, 2 minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಏನು ಉಳಿತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? n 2 minus 1, 1. Next 0 goes up, so m raised to 1 minus 0 is 1 itself. T now take 0 out, so it will be t raised to minus 2. Correct? See, if you are able to simplify it, then only you can simplify. See, in previous problem what I have taken, ali addition ittu, yalli RHS side kade addition ittu. So addition iddaga ಏನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು simplification ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Here you have division, right? Here you have division question form. If it is a question form, then you can change the ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ powers change आಗುತ್ತೆ. You can change power change कर सकते हैं, मतलब power का simplification कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, जब वहां पर एडिशन होगा LHS साइड पे या सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा तो हमको सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं. ठीक है, समझ में आएगा? इफ दिस इज द इक्वेशन लाइक ಹೀಗಿತ್ತು, राइट? इसका डायमेंशन बराबर आ गया तो बस बात खत्म. ठीक है, LHS इक्वल टू RHS कर सकते हैं. अगर वही लास्ट को आपको ऐसा आ रहा है तो इसका पावर और इसका पावर सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, you need to simplify it and you have to bring it. So this is one such example what I have taken here. देखो ना, प्रोडक्ट है, डिवीजन है, तो आप सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हो आखिरी स्टेप तक. जब वो एडिशन होगा या सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा तो आप आखिरी तक नहीं रुक पाते. जस्ट आप डायमेंशन सेम है आ गया तो बस. यहाँ पर भी वैसा ही डायमेंशन सेम आ गया है, देखो. तो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? LHS इक्वल टू RHS. हाँ, लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये ओबे करेगा प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी, ओबेज प्रिंसिपल ऑफ होमोजेनिटी. ठीक है, डायमेंशनली करेक्ट आप लिख लो. ठीक है, डायमेंशनली करेक्ट इक्वेशन. समझ में आ रही बात? कॉपी करो. अच्छा, लेते हैं अगला सवाल. काइनेटिक एनर्जी possessed by a body depends upon its mass m, speed v, find the expression for kinetic energy, and written as K. Okay, kinetic energy of the body using the method of dimension. तो ऐसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. तो ये थर्ड एप्लीकेशन, ठीक है, थर्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. चलो फिर करते हैं इसको सॉल्व. क्या करना है बच्चों, पहले देखना है कि जो फिजिकल क्वांटिटी दिया गया है इधर काइनेटिक एनर्जी किन किन फैक्टर्स पर डिपेंड है वो देखना है. ठीक है, नाउ द काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द फैक्टर्स मास एज वेल एज द स्पीड v. राइट, वो क्वेश्चन में दिया गया होता है. ठीक है, तो चलो लिखते हैं. काइनेटिक एनर्जी डिपेंड्स ऑन फैक्टर्स. तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी को हम के ई लिखेंगे. राइट, के ई लिखेंगे या सिर्फ ई भी लिख सकते हो, या इन सम ऑफ द टेक्स्ट बुक दे हैव गिवन टी. ओके, आई विल टेक इट एज के ई. सो हाउ इज योर के ई इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द मास. ठीक है, सो उसके ऊपर एक पावर लगाना है. we'll take it as a dimension. Next, kinetic energy is depending on what factor? Next, it is depending on speed, और symbol भी दिया गया है, that is v. v raised to dimension will take it as v. ठीक है, where a b are the dimensions. ठीक है, अच्छा, तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या करोगे, इक्वेशन 1 मानोगे, इसको इक्वेशन 2 मानोगे. तो कंबाइनिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2 क्या मिलेगा, दैट काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू, सी इट इज सेड इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन. ठीक है, वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल जब भी होंगे तो प्रोडक्ट आएगा. अगर वो इनवर्सली डिपेंड होंगे तो डिवीजन करोगे. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में लिखोगे. ठीक है, सो इट्स डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल राइट नाउ, तो इसको हम प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में ही लिख लेते हैं. ये हम m रेज टू a इंटू v रेज टू b. तो नेक्स्ट स्टेप, टू नॉक आउट दिस प्रोपोर्शनलिटी सिंबल को हटा देना है. हटा दो, तो इसको क्या लिखोगे अभी, यू विल मल्टीप्लाई विद द कांस्टेंट a into, this is into, not x, or some will think it as x. I'll take it as dot here. Correct. So this is our equation number 3. So where k is what, k is a proportionality constant. Proportionality constant, क्या proportional constant को constant का dimension है? Do we have dimensions for constants? No. So k is what? Is a dimensionless constant. It is right now it is a dimensionless constant. So एक ड्रॉबैक है बच्चों, the method of dimension का एक ड्रॉबैक है dimensional analysis. ಒಂದು ಡ್ರಾಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಯಾವ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ನ್ಯೂಟೋನಿಯನ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ क्या करोगे, the dimensional formula we will note it down. So dimensional formula of first one, काइनेटिक एनर्जी का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला क्या है, हमने लिखा है L raised to displacement ना, फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. हाँ, L raised to 2 मास 1 minus 2, L2 L raised to 2 M raised to 1 T raised to minus 2. Okay, next what we have, mass. So mass का डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला L0 M raised to 1 T 0. Next we have what, I'll write here this side, speed. Speed यानी वेलोसिटी का ही डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला आएगा, स्पीड का भी. सो व्हाट इज इट? डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. स्पीड डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम. डिस्टेंस इज व्हाट? l raised to 1 टाइम t raised to 1. तो क्या हुआ? l raised to 1 t raised to -1, राइट. सो l raised to 1, m तो 0 है इधर, t raised to -. ओके, कॉपी डाउन. That we are going to substitute these dimensional formulas in equation number 3. ठीक है, shall I write this part? Okay, next step is substituting the dimensional formulae in equation 3, right? 3. तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी का डायमेंशनल फॉर्मूला है L is 2 m raised to 1 t raised to -2 is equals to k तो डायमेंशनल लेस है तो उसको छोड़ देंगे हम लोग. m मास L0 m1 t raised to 0 whole raised to क्या है इधर? whole raised to a, write it as a, into प्रोडक्ट है वेलोसिटी और स्पीड l raised to 1 m0 t raised to -1 whole raised to b, right? So keep this LHS side as it is, no changes in this. Okay, now next step is multiply this a with all the powers of this equation. A into 0 m का भी 1 into a 0 into a 0. next term 1 into b 0 into b 0 -1 into b minus b. ठीक है, keep your LHS side as it is. Look at the RHS side right now. Since it is a product form, अगर इधर addition होता, now here it is a product form. तो product form है तो power को क्या करेंगे? ऐड करेंगे. So L 0 plus b, right? Next m का भी a plus 0 a, t का भी 0 plus of minus b, 0 plus of minus b is equals to what? minus b, तो minus b बन गया. ठीक है, इसको हटा देते हैं अभी. अच्छा, now what you are going to do now? We require the dimensions of a and b. equation 3 में डालने के लिए dimensions of a b का होना जरूरी है. तो कैसे करेंगे हम? On comparing LHS and RHS we get dimensions on comparing the dimensions on LHS and RHS. okay, वो समझ में आएगा. b equal to 2, b equal to 2, a equal to 1. अगर देखो इधर -b -2 है तो हमको a b दो ही अननोन फैक्टर्स थे, दो ही अननोन डायमेंशंस थे, तो दोनों मिल गए, तो थर्ड वाला देखना जरूरी नहीं है. ठीक है, okay, so we got the dimensions a and b. So let us substitute. Next step, substitute the values of a and b in equation 3. तो क्या मिलेगा? इक्वेशन 3 क्या है? काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज इक्वल्स टू k टाइम्स ऑफ m था ना, m raised to a value is 1, next is b value is 2. ठीक है, या सिर्फ ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो k times of mv square. So actually what is the kinetic energy formula? You will take it as, इधर बात करते हैं इसके बारे में. Okay, what is kinetic energy actually? Half mv square. ठीक है, हमको तो mv square मिल गया अभी, देखो मिल गया. जो ये कांस्टेंट है, ये कांस्टेंट है, ये बाद में ये सभी जो था ये क्लासिकल फिजिक्स, इट इज नथिंग बट द ओल्ड फिजिक्स वी हैव यूज. तभी हम डेरिवेशन सभी ऐसे करते थे बाय द हेल्प ऑफ मेथड ऑफ दिस डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. ओके, सो एज द न्यूटोनियन फिजिक्स अरोज डेवलप हुआ, तो दैट देयर वी स्टार्टेड टू फाइंड द कांस्टेंट्स. ठीक है, तो अभी हम कांस्टेंट, हमको पता है कि उसका कांस्टेंट आएगा हाफ. Value we will get it as half. Earlier it was taken as k, kinetic energy is equals to k times of mv square. Okay, तो k का वैल्यू अभी पता है, तभी पता नहीं था. Yes, copy down. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. 3 क्वेश्चंस हमने सॉल्व किया है, जो भी क्वेश्चन पेपर में प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर में जो भी एरोज हुए थे. सो कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, यू विल गेट वेल वर्स्ड इन दिस प्रॉब्लम्स व्हेन यू गेट प्रैक्टिस्ड. more practice is required to understand the concept clearly. Okay, do watch all videos on physics and keep learning. Thank you.